Alright folks, gonna do a little video on how to adjust your transfer case lever arm bracket. If you do the single line mod, sometimes it will kick the transfer case at a higher range because of the leverage. You have two different adjustments. You got one on the transfer case rod here. You have one on the downshaft rod there. Alright, always start here. Of course, take that clevis off the transfer case, undo the jam nut. Actually, undo the jam nut first, remove the pin from the transfer case there, and then take your clevis and twist it so it turns out a few turns. Put the pin back in it, tighten your jam nut down, and tighten the other jam nut down. And that's kind of how you adjust it out. If you run an adjustment there to keep pressure on it, you will go ahead and do the same thing here. Remove this in, loosen the jam nut first, remove that pin, turn it out, push against it. That way I put more leverage on it than it's supposed to have. When you do this, make sure the truck does not have any air in the system. It will allow you to put it back in gear more. Also helps to the transfer. You go ahead and chalk the wheels, release the parking brake. That way you'll be able to move the jack shaft there in order to get it maybe spline a little bit better when you push on it when you're doing your adjustment. So that will allow you to spin in case you have a little misspline or whatever to mesh the gears up. But that's how you adjust it. Is you remove that side there, loosen the jam nut right there on the back of it, move the pin, move the cotter pin, remove the pin, tighten, loosen, turn it out so you have more distance, put it back in. Make sure that your transfer case is all the way in when you do it. That right there is actually a neutral, I believe. It may be a neutral or maybe a high. It's just, you see the little bit of rust slip on it, but that's how you do it. Make sure it's all the way in. You check it, move it out. Make sure you got plenty of thread left in your clevis there, but just put a little more pressure against it when you pull on it. A lot of these things are out of adjustment. Both these arms here are key weighed, so you can't adjust those, but you can adjust either one of them clevises. That's how you adjust the transfer case linkage to keep them popping out all the time.